evening, ladies and gentlemen.
What could I say after it's done?
What is up, guys? So welcome back to our YouTube vlog. Tayo ngayon sa Philinvest Tent Alabang for Stance Pilipinas X New Era. Currently March 8 today. It's a Sunday. Yung meet ng Stance Pilipinas today is scheduled. Starts at 3 p.m. So time check, it's 5 p.m. ngayon. And guys, look at the line right now. Super haba ng pila. In just 2 hours, puno na agad yung venue for the Stance event. Sobrang solid talaga ng Stance Pilipinas. And as you can see, dito pa lang sa labas, pila ng mga kotse. Popogi na, like this EG, this Land Cruiser, 1118, ayan. CRV, slammed, stretched tires. Yan yung kay Miguel, si Stanley, super clean, super ganda na box type. Mga Sunday car, pogi oh. This Lexus, BM, Jazz, tutulak na lang yung kotse niya. Astina na hatch. Zephyro Wagon, kay Ed. Ayun no, andun si A. Galing tayo sa event nila kahapon ng Sneaky Mods. Bakit ka late? Bakit ka late?
Wala, busy. Tumigago sa bahay.
Hawa ng pilo. Check out more cars, mga papasok. Sana makapasok sila. Fortuner on OEM wheels na 20s ata to. FD, yung racing type, stance type. You know, iba't ibang style of FDs, street, stance, slammed, CRV, super clean. OEM. Stock wheels ba to? Ganda oh. Ganda. Teka, picturean ko lang. Miata Cup Car, ayan o. Very diverse ng mga auto na nakapila and attendees of stands. May Love Life, may Corona or Exshore, JDM. Ganda o, naka-fender mirror pa tong isa. DBSLM, Club Corona, FD Rays, super low rays. Look at that. And clear taillights pa. Altes, slammed Altes, Jazz, at saka B13 sa harap. Pasok na tayo sa loob. I guess let's check out the builds for the Stance Pilipinas X New Era. Let's go. Meron pa pala isa pang pila dito. Look at this, FL5 M2. Si Rafi ba to? Si Rafi nga. Ayan, Yaris. Dating ex-car ni Jero. So many cars na nakapila pa. But, okay, pasok na tayo. Dito tayo. Siguro start muna tayo dito sa dulo, sa may Jollibee. There's still few cars dito, pero majority of the stance cars nandun sa may gitna, sa may entrance of Philinvest Tent. 400Z, may Tamaraw FX. Wow, look at this. Van culture, representing van culture. Ayan, oh. With a nice set of wheels, slammed, equipped. 3-piece wheels pa ata to. Look at the back part. You know, clear taillights, Grupo Toyota. Ay, Grupo, Tamaraw FX. Clear taillights. Ano palang clear taillights to? You know, nice set of wheels. Ganda. Huwag talaga ng Tamaraw. Tamaraw and Nardo Gray. Ganda. May Altis. Slammed Altis. Evo on N-case. You know. N-case. May Miata. May Eversense. Let's go. Shoutout Lala Miata. Kay Boss Josh na small body. Ayan, nandito siya. Super rare wheels. Pang Levin. Ayan. OEM ng Levin. 370Z dito sa may entrance. May R32. R32 in black. Saan muna tayo? Dito muna tayo. What's this deal? Bakit hindi ito tumatalbog? 2-door. Ayan o. Pogi. Carib. On Toms. NA. Pogi. Carib. Slammed, Ford. Kanina may nakita akong Ford din. Slammed din. Tapos wala nang spare tire sa likod. Oh, like this one. Wala nang spare tire. Grabe. Pwede pala yun. Ito, Suzuki Ertiga. Mitsubishi Grandis. Ooh, look at those wheels. Okay. Wheels kaya ito. Slammed din. Ayun, no? No finger cap. Oh, Grandis nga. Mitsubishi Grandis. Super haba pa rin ang pila, guys. Grabe, hanggang dun sa dulo. Bawal ata mag-double park eh. So, balik tayo dito. Look at this Alphard na naka-max. City or Brio? Hindi, City to. City. Wow! Tri-spoke. Tri-spoke wheels. Okay ba yung wheels niya sa kabila? Hindi, same lang. Tri-spoke. We go on HM3s. Baba rin. Puro tri-spoke sila dito Tri-spoke. 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 Kaya nagmamahal na yung tri-spoke eh. Gusto ko rin yung tri-spoke eh. Civic, FD, tri-spoke rin. Ito, anong tri-spoke? Venerdi. Drag D style na pick-up dito. Nakita ko to nung year 16 hindi, year ender ng Stance. Ito, CT. SX8. Honda. Underrated platform. And Altis, Wigo, Accord, B14. You know, Candy Tone Red. Parang Soul Red. Azeb wheels. Euro 1 tsaka Euro 2. Guys, anong pick nyo? Euro 1 or Euro 2? Mas trip ko yung Euro 1 eh. Para siyang alien kasi sobrang weird ng headlights niya kaysa sa Euro 2. Euro 2 mukhang kotse na talaga. Ito kasi pag tinignan mo parang alien eh. Weird in a good way. Then may Love Life, GT bumpers, Pajero, 86. Sobrang gusto ko yung kits niya. Medyo kamukha niya yung Fotago. Gusto ko yung Fotago na kits eh. If magkakaroon ako ng 86, GT86. Okay. Parang ito ata yung nanalo sa Club Sport nung raffle namin. Toms. May Toms palang taillight. Inks. Baka Inks. Grace. Ayan. Honda Grace. FL5 nakapasok na. Another tri-spoke. Ilan na yung naka-tri-spoke na nakita natin? 4. Dami na nila. Pogi rin naman talaga kasi yung tri-spoke, men. Park na yung FL5. This fun cargo in yellow with all the small yellow pieces. Moon Ice na air freshener, Moon Ice na seatbelt, Moon Ice. Ito, hindi ko alam kung Moon Ice to. Yan o. Fun cargo. Super cute. Twin tips po. May everything siya. Thank you, boss. Okay, Jerome mo. Punta natin. Lancer, Nakaido Racer. Look at that. Okay. Hero Motors. Asa si Jerome? Di ba si Jerome? Hindi niya pa ata napapapaintan yung wing niya. Pero alam ko papa-body panel color niya rin to. Hindi pa tapos eh. Pero we'll see sa mga Kaido builds. Few Kaido builds sa Pilipinas. And very different kasi, nagtaba siya sa front para malagay niya yung oil cooler. Can't wait for that project to be finished. Dog Pilipinas. Ito kay Joben, si Eggy Boy, P1s, kay Kevin, ayan, Endless Discovery, ayun siya. Si Miggy, what up? Ano gusto mong tanong? Wala na.
Ano ba pinagtanong? Siya naman, siya yung interview mo. Tama na ako.
Elite ball knowledge. Alford. Bye-bye, ingat, Kip. Pogi. Altis. Mr. Grand Spec. Grand Spec!
Nice shirt pa.
Thank you. You guys, sobrang dami nagsasabi ng nice shirt ko. Ito nga pala yung shirt ko from Vestigial. Si John Lloyd at sino nga ba to? Si Bea Alonzo. Sobrang kulit kasi. Tapos Neon Genesis Evangelion. Ang daming nangyayari. Ano pong builds dito? Ito, this 86. Yan, Black 86. This Mirage. Kay Kyle Media. Sobrang gusto ko talaga to. Sobrang ganda ng fitment na ginawa niya. Mirage kasi 3-door. Pizza. Ayan. Pogi. Etibac Boys. This Galant. With nice set of wheels. 5ZR. Pogi na ito, oh. Galant Shark. 2-door. BM. Ayan. Nakapasok na sila. B13. Altis. Lancer. Mercedes-Benz. Ito po, oh. Chedeng. Pogi. Then this, ito rare to. 3-2, alam ko, Astina. But look at the wing. Sobrang weird ng wing. Weird in a good way. Oh, ha? Kulit parang antena ng TV. 323F. Hatch. Para siyang EG. Pag titingnan mo sa malayo. Ganda, oh. And look at this, guys. Ito kanina, medyo maaraw kanina. So, di ba hindi black yung nakikita nyo. But when we zoom in, look at the paint. It's glitter. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. And it's painted on an Eclipse. Pogi! Miss UBB Eclipse. 1G to eh. Alam ko 1G to eh. Yan o. Yung Eclipse pala, merong may hump dito. This Silvia. Super wide wheels. Silvia. And very nice plate. RSX 888. Okay oh. BM Clown Shoe. Z3. Haba pa rin ang pila. Traffic na sila. Guys, look at the line outside. Crazy line. Haba pa rin. May Yaris dun, oh. What's this dealer? Taking up his and it's standing here. Tayo sa kabila. Start off there. May mga Miata boys. Ayan. Mga cop car. Miata. Yan si Harry. Video. I have a Beetle here. Matte black. Kita ko to kahapon sa meet ng Sneaky Mods. Ayan, dito rin sila. Bombit Boys. Nandito rin tong mga sa Sneaky Mods Yan, mga Vios, Turgen, Yaris. Oh, dito nga rin talaga sila. Ayan, this Yaris. Kita rin natin ito kahapon. Vios, S14, kay Earl, Bogi. Ito, tropa natin, RX-7, Kinilan. Ito si Nilan, no? Oh. Oh, ha? Pogi ng kodya niya, boss. Red RX-7 on NK. NK nga ba to? Oh, NK nga. NK Racing R. Pogi. Kita nyo yung makina sa loob. Mark II ni Kuya Dayday. Crazy 4-door. Yan, andito rin. Sa meet ng stands. Then kay Oliver, R32. Yan, super dami ng tao. Raise. Ayan. GT3 RS. Ayan, M3 Touring of 1118. Livery ng New Era. Guys, collab nga pala ng New Era at stands today. Maglabas sila ng snapback hat. Check out natin. Isang snapback na 940 adjustable. Ayan, adjustable siya. Tapos may mga print embroidered sa brim. Stands Pilipinas for the New Era Year 10. Long live our roots. Yan. May etiketa ng New Era and stands. Ito naman yung fitted hat. So this is a 7 and 3/8 size. Ayan. Double label ng stands and New Era. SRP nasa 2+. Ayan. Ito mas wild yung design kasi nandito yung embroidery. Dito na wala naman dito. Tapos yung isa, nandito yung design. Tapos din dito blank. Oh, ito pala Manila fitted. Yeah. So, kayo guys, anong bibili nyo? Snapback or fitted? Subaru. Pogi. Forester. TS. True sight ba? Miata Cup car. Guys, look at this. Yung bagong upgrade, yung K-Polar. Look at those tips. Exhaust tips. Star ba yan? Something like that. Isipin nyo guys, tiga north pa to, tapos bumiyahe ng south in this condition. Boss. Look at that. Piking-piki. Oh, static yan, boy. Hindi yan air. Grabe. Dedication. Balls to do this. Past collaboration naman ng stands is with Quicks. Ito yung demo car nila. Adidas, Quicks, kay Irvin, Small Wing, Big Wing. Ayan. EK, Cancho Style. Then kay Gab, kanyang City. Different build na. Dati naka-City Grace build siya. Pero ngayon, palit siya ito clean look. Pero gusto ko talaga yung ganito nila, yung parang may cortina sa loob. That's how you build a city. Clean lang, linis lang. Kay Kenzo, Stico Manila, binigyan nila ako ng sticker. Thank you, Stico Manila. Then we have a Forester here, BBS, mesh wheels, big body, busy touring or Yakuza. Yan sila. Si Jayden. Fit, Aria, yan. One of the mods of Sneaky Mods. CRV, Then we have mga static boys, mga low kids. Yan. Look at that. Tiga North yan. Tapos dito sila ngayon sa South. Static boys. Grabe. Look at that fitment. Ito naman, Dios. Same fitment. You know, balagbag. Then we have mga Swift. Ito, Swift Sports. Pogi, oh. Nice wing, monster wing. Pogi. Pogi. Pogi talaga.
Gusto ko talaga.
Si Gino.
Ganda.
Same yellow, gantong yellow.
Ganyan mismo.
Ganda eh.
Tingin ako eh. Hindi
Monster.
pa kaya eh.
Papaisip na. Ito yung mga kalaban ng Yaris eh. The Fit and the Swift and the Yaris. Kaya guys, kung papabiliin kayo ng choose your Econo box, would you choose the Swift, the Jazz, or the Yaris? Kay Genesis to eh. Also, friend, tiga Batangas, all out, Swift. Pogi. Grady. Grady lip na to eh. Then this Jazz. Wow, linis ng loob oh. Group M. Oh, si Nate pala to. Hi, Nate. Ayan, Mugen. Okay, so Mugen kits. And Benetton steering wheel, naka-works bell. Dami niyang ano ah. Ang dami niyang gauges sa loob. Professional concept. Center, exit, twin center tips. Pogi. May monster din pala sa ano. Swift din pala to. Swift na sedan. Pogi rin. May dasay siya sa loob na Liberty Walk. Ang ganda naman nun. Donut. Donut na, ano, pang quick release. Swift ba to? Oh, Swift nga to. Ano? Monster kits. Pogi. Monster motorsports equipment. Oh, pwede. Pwede rin. Ano, FD. BSKF. Then we have a BB here. HCW wheels. Ganda nito. VIP. May carrozzeria. May kicker sa likod. May Emerson sa likod. Thank you, boss. We have a CRV here with Eversince. Ito kay Kami to. Sure ako. Ayan, nice set of wheels. Dropped. Sagad. You know, Santa Monica. Plaka. This Suzuki Espresso. Nagpalit na pala siya ng mags. Oh, naka-choppy na siya. Ganda. Pogi pa rin. Pogi pa rin. Look at the Zefiro. Nice face. Kung magkakanisan ako, Zefiro pwede. 3.4 GTSR. Ooh. Pogi oh. Zefiro. Tapos red. Ganda no? Okay, look. If you guys haven't watched our full vlog on this Fortuner. Oh, bagong addition pala to ni Luke. Oh. Parang ano, TRD Pia colorway. Lagi ko na sa upper right, guys. Full vlog of this rally type Fortuner. Dito naman, Subaru Forester. Bespoke Boys, ayan. Nagpo-vlog ba kayo? O parang nagpo-podcast ata kayo.
Yeah, time lapse lang yan.
Ooh, look at that. Galant. Na naka-livery. Pogi. Kay Vorshin yan eh. Subaru, yun oh. Subaru. And mini Subaru. Cute. Box type. Sa tabi ng Galant. And Evo. Another box type. Green and red. Pogi. Tri-spoke. Mukhang weave pa yung may-ari ah. And Miata. Silvia. Mustang. Swift. And TO3. Ganda. EG. Nakapasok na rin. EG. Ganda. PM oh. Slammed Avanza. Ito kay Val. Bagong laruan ni Val. Hawkeye. Subaru. No. Parang Razor. Razor Monster. Okay. Then, Miata. Yung kay, kay Rafi. M2. Guys, meron tayong full vlog of this Revo. Abangan nyo na lang on our channel. And we have the Z of Mr. Banawi Boy. White on white. with a very nice plate. Lim 555. Yung likod nung kay Banawe Boy with the custom plate frame, Banawe Boy Z. Then, enjoy car life. Shout out to Bozab. Guys, look at this Celica Supra Gen 3. Super nice, white on white with encase, RPF, dip dish. Kita ko to Alabang 0.5 twin turbo R. Cebu YFC. Meron pa siyang small, naka-trailer. Mini-me Hot Wheels. Yan, Pogsy. Ang ganda. Celica Supra Mark III. So, atas ko lang kumain. Tapos, yung mga bagong attendees. Tsaka, mga humabol. So, look at this. Super lifted, big Hilux. Pickup taas. Grabe. For size comparison, ito ako. Ito yung Hilux. Side mirror. Yung side mirror, ito yung ulo ko. Another rare gem. Escort boss. Ganda oh. Super sexy. Pogi na ito. Grabe. Ang banana wheels po. Ganda. Sayang medyo madilim na makita sana natin yung yung loob. RS 1800. So medyo napalitan na yung ibang mga kotse with mga newer, mga late. So this Bluebird. Kita natin to nung Grupo Toyota. And I think this is also for sale. This Nissan Bluebird kay Boss Sid. Yan. May DF dito. Hello. Hi guys. So kasama natin ngayon si Mr.
Banawe Boy, Alex Lim.
Super bilis interview lang. Alam mo na to.
Game.
So
Lagi ako
medyo
nanonood nito, so alam ko na to.
So, medyo ibahin natin ngayon. You have unlimited budget. You have all the money in the world. Kunwari lang, what's your dream 3-car garage?
Talagang walang limit.
Yes, sky's the limit.
Okay. Unang-una, I want an F40. Sky's the limit naman eh. An Ferrari F40. Then, diba? Tapos yun na yung parang museum piece mo. Nasa garahe mo na nasa sala. Second, you need a practical car. I'll go with a G-Wagon. Like, I always wanted a G-Wagon, yung mga bagong G-Wagon. Tapos gagawin nating retro, yung mga ganong vibe. Then, third, syempre meron na tayong classic, meron na tayong SUV for daily. Lastly, I want a really nice sports car na magamit mo, which is a Porsche. I would like a Cabrio or a Targa na 992. Kasi para akin, it's very dailyable Porsche na supercar. I mean, na sports car na pwede mong gamitin anytime. Diba? So yun, top 3 ko yun.
Second question of the day is, what's your top 3 wheels of all time?
Okay. Talagang para sa akin yung tanong na to. No? Kasi mahilig tayo sa mags eh, di ba? Pero I won't say number 1 si T37. Though we have a lot of T37s. Sa totoo na ng T37 di, pero tinamad ako mag-post kasi natamad na ako hanapin yung mga photos. But I'll go with the first. I would go with Desmond Regamaster. Kasi si Regamaster, it's the underrated wheels back then. That now, it is really, alam mo yun.
It's coming back eh.
Oo, tapos parang, tsaka hindi siya mura bro. This
Mahal
wheels
na.
is super expensive. Even if you want to buy a brand new para sa Ever Since channel, actually we ordered the 19-inch the Regamaster for the Z. Yun yung wheels na inaantay natin. So secondly, I would choose T37 of course. Then third, eto medyo underrated din, pero I'll go with a Watanabe. Kasi Watanabe sobrang timeless din talaga ng itsura niya.
Works
so yun.
with everything.
Pero sa totoo lang, kuwari kahit European, I would really put a Watanabe. People doesn't really do it. Dagdag pa ako isa, gusto ko ng tri-spoke.
Special mention. Yeah.
Special mention.
SA3R.
Gusto ko talaga ng tri-spoke. As in, sa totoo lang, gusto ko mag-build ngayon ng auto because of magpapa-forge ako ng tri-spoke. Set a trend.
Something unique.
Yun.
Something to break.
Yes. So, nabigay ko 4. Sorry.
Special mention. Yeah.
Special mention.
The last question of the day is, what's the best sounding engine for you?
Sige, maging bias tayo kasi na 86 tayo. So, for me, it's the ITBs of 4AG. Pero totoo naman, is very, when you hear it, really sobrang agok talaga. it's very soothing in terms of us na mahilig tayo sa ganitong kotse. I would say talaga yung 4AGE.
Yeah.
Secondly, I would say mga B58. I like how it sounds eh. Sobrang type ko talaga yung tunog. Lastly, Jay-Z. The one Jay-Z. Grabe, pag alam mo agad na one Jay-Z yung dumadating, iba yung tunog ng Jay-Z. So yun yung tatlo para sa akin.
So, super bilis interview tayo ulit ngayon with Ed.
Yo, what's up?
Unlimited budget. Anong lalagay mo sa 3-car garage mo?
Sa yung Zafiro Wagon, pang daily. Then, siguro S13 or S15. Tapos, yes, 90s. Bolokish.
Bulokish.
Tsaka
Mambubulok.
isang siguro LC.
LC.
Oo,
Ayun.
parang isang malaki.
Second question of the day is, anong top 3 wheels of all time mo?
Oto namin, VSKF, VS, XX.
VSXX. Parang lahat yun meron ka na.
Hindi, wala akong XX.
Oh, isa na lang pala. Isa na lang. Okay, last question of the day is, what's the best sounding engine for you?
Masyadong alam dun eh. Pero siguro, SR?
Nissan boy ka eh, no? Hindi naman.
Wala namang bias sa ganun. Pero yun lang din kasi yung alam ko eh. Alam mo yun? Hindi ako maano sa
Sa engine.
eh.
Pero yun, para sa'yo. Para sa'yo.
Oo.
SR.
SR.
Super bilis interview tayo. And we are here with,
Peter Chua,
question number 1 is, you have unlimited budget. Anong lalagay mo sa 3-car garage mo?
MK4 na Supra.
Legendary yun.
Yes. Tapos GTT RS na 997.2. Yung 4.0. Evo guy ako. So Evo 9.
So, second question natin is, what's your top 3 wheels of all time?
Kasi pag sinabi ko yung akin,
All time?
pag sinabi ko yung mga type ko, marami magre-react.
Hindi, sa'yo lang naman to.
So, para safe.
Yeah.
T37, LE37, SE37. Para safe.
Ganda.
Para safe.
Third question of the day is, what's the best sounding engine for you?
It's either dun sa 2J or RB26. It's either of the two. Oh.
Medyo patay siya.
Oh.
Pero kung isa lang talaga, wala.
Siguro RB.
RB. Yeah.
No, RB talaga eh, no? Naka single turbo, RB talaga. Oh.
Yung wapish. Super bilis interview tayo ulit ngayon and we are here with,
Irvin,
you have unlimited budget, then may 3-car garage ka. Anong ilalagay mo?
nauna E36 M3. Second is A80 Supra.
Sobra.
Third, SUV LC.
LC. Bago luma.
Luma tayo. LC80 or 90 pwede na.
Yeah. Second question is, what's your top 3 wheels of all time?
Una-una T37. Second siguro VSXX. Last, Regamaster.
Parang lahat bagay yun sa BM mo.
Okay.
Pwede ikabit lahat.
Pwede.
Okay, last question of the day is, what's the best sounding engine for you?
2JZ.
Yeah. Yeah, Jay-Z talaga. Super bilis interview tayo with Mr.
Figure 8.
Joshua Uy of Figure 8. Let's go. Question number 1 is, you have unlimited budget. Anong lalagay mo sa 3-car garage mo?
Dream car ko pinakauna, R35. Tapos LC300.
LC300.
Tapos Evo 9.
Evo 9. Okay. Kumbaga may pang daily, may pang kulit.
May pang kulit. May pang cruising.
Second question is, top 3 wheels of all time mo.
Number 1, T37. Tapos siguro CE28 tsaka RE30.
Okay, puro book racing ah. Last question of the day is, what's the best sounding engine for you?
RX-7 tayo, rotary.
Rap.
Brap.
So, super bilis interview tayo ngayon and we are here with,
8 Gigas, Crazy 4-door.
question number 1 is, you have unlimited budget. Tapos may bahay ka, 3-car garage. Anong lalagay mo doon?
Ang lalagay ko doon is F40, Ferrari F40. Siyempre yung Mark II natin, tsaka EF na wagon.
Question number 2 is, what's your top 3 wheels of all time naman?
Top 3 wheels, siyempre, ang aking unang-unang wheels, ang Blitz 03. Siyempre,
boy.
yes. Tapos pangalawa, yung dati kong mags na BBS LM.
Yes.
Pangatlo, basta yung mga ginagamit sa mga Honda yun dati. J-Wing ba yun? J-Wing, yan, J-Wing.
Last question of the day is, what's the best sounding engine for you?
Siyempre, para sa akin, ever since, F40 talaga. Kumbaga, siya kasi yung unang-unang Ferrari na twin turbo eh. Every time na kahit mapanood ko yung dati, nung bata ako talagang gustong-gusto ko yung tunog nun, lalo na pag nag-high revving yun.
Eargasm.
Yes, of
Sarap
course.
sa tenga.
Yes.
Sige, thank you kuya. Yun lang. Bye-bye. So, super bilis interview tayo. And we are here with,
Gio Rodriguez.
you have unlimited budget in the world. And you have a house, 3-car garage. Ano ilalagay mo?
Number 1 is S2000.
AP1?
Oo, AP1 pare. Kung ano man yung mas mataas rev dun sa dalawa. Tapos number 2 siguro RX-7. For me, like, sound and feel is everything.
Nandito na ako. Okay na.
Lastly, siguro hindi ko pwedeng iwan, pero Hachiroko talaga.
Kita ko na eh. Nakita ko. May Toyota pa rin. Second question of the day is, what's your top 3 wheels of all time?
Ako kasi medyo performance-oriented ako.
Coming from drifting.
Yeah. SSR Type C. It's one of the lightest wheels. Blitzo 3 para medyo hot boy, di ba?
Dore-dore type shit.
Tapos siguro yung last is medyo underrated to, pero yung Bridgestone DHS na yung ginagamit ni kasama sa drifting yan.
The last question of the day is, what's the best sounding engine for you?
For me,
Yeah, for you.
ito, marami ma-relate dito, men. 4AG, anything na 4 throttle na 4AG. Pwedeng 16 valve, pwedeng 20 valve. I don't mind for as long as dali yung
Yung
di ba?
hagok.
Oo, yung hagok,
So,
men.
dapat naka-ITV.
Dapat na ITV. Next
signature.
is B-Series, man. Can't go wrong.
VTEC, yo.
B16, man. B16 for me, para mataas rumev. Lastly, underrated but RB. Paggalit, hayop. Stock. Pero yung kargado, oh my God. Man.
Kakatakot.
Dali yung mga Jay-Z. Dali talaga.
Super bilis interview tayo and we are here with Theo. Question number 1, you have unlimited budget in the world. Tapos may bahay ka, 3-car garage, ano lalagay mo?
Isa na, yung daily ko ngayon is a 1990 Nissan Sentra B12. Medyo sentimental kasi yung platform na yon, that's why I chose this as my first car. And then, I'd go with the van as my second choice. Probably a 1980s Toyota Hiace. Yun. Basta yung top of the line na JDM variant. Third would be my ultimate unobtainium sa ngayon, which is a 1986 Toyota AA86 Trueno.
Hot 90s ah.
Oo. Kasi initial D fanboy, I've had experience sa Japan. 90s nerd pagdating sa JDM culture. Yan.
So, golden era talaga.
Yes, golden era talaga.
Second question of the day is, anong top 3 wheels of all time mo naman?
Work Equip 03, Watanabe 8-spoke.
Banana?
Yes, banana. Tapos the third one would be Venet Vega.
Venet Vega?
Oo, ultimate
Puro
90s.
old school wheels
90s
na.
choice. Siyempre, yun ang puso natin nandun sa
Parang
90s.
yun din yung lalagay mo sa 3-car garage mo.
Yes, exactly.
Last question of the day is, what's the best sounding engine for you?
Dalawa yung nasa isip ko. Napunta ako sa Nissan ngayon, might as well go with the SR16 VE. Nasa Pulsar VCR. Yun ang kumbaga pambato ng Nissan when it comes to variable valve technology. Medyo VTEC yun ng Nissan. Kung ita-top 1 ko talaga I'd go with the 4AGE talaga.
4AG.
Yes,
Iba talaga.
sir. Oo.
Yung
Lalo pag-
hagok.
Oo, tsaka naka-ITV. Yan talaga, iba talaga ang dating ng
Eargasm. Yes. Super bilis interview tayo and we are here with...
Ivan Chan.
Question number 1 is, you have unlimited budget. You have a house, 3-car garage. Anong lalagay mo?
First, syempre, may ND Miata. Kasi I believe you always have to have a convertible in the garage to enjoy yung the cold weather.
Sunday drive.
Yeah, and the cold weather, di ba? Pag malamig na, di ba? 2, definitely an early first generation Porsche 911. Nothing drives like that. It really drives super well. 3rd, para practical naman, Audi RS2.
Alright, for daily.
Well, kung lahat gumagana, the daily ko
Why
yan.
not? Yeah. Second question is, what's your top 3 wheels of all time?
Regamaster. Super love the Regamaster. BBS FIR. Uzi Racing Ultra Leggera, which is the one I have in the car now. Yeah.
Nice. Question of the day is, what's the best sounding engine for you?
The hardest question of all. For me, top of mind
Yeah.
is the naturally aspirated V12 of the Aston Martin DBS.
Wow.
Yung Casino Royale na DBS.
GPS.
That one for me is my favorite. More than even an LFA, Carrera
RX-7,
GT, or an RX-7, or any of those. Kasi after a while, sumasakit yung tenga mo after hearing all. Tapos this one, yung V12, you can just,
Smooth lang.
yeah, parang very smooth and very sophisticated.
Yeah. So, super bilis interview tayo ngayon and we are here with
Dino.
Hi, Dino! Question number 1 is, you have unlimited budget. You have a 3-car garage. Anong lalagay mo?
I guess yung pinaka-top priority, Evo 9 MR Wagon. Doesn't matter what the build is, we'll figure out when we get there.
Yeah, you have unlimited naman.
Unlimited naman yun eh. Stage A. Stage A. Yung Nissan. May nakita ko kasi ano eh.
Wagon.
May nakita ko kasi na ano eh. Dolphin Sports na 900 horsepower. Parang, uy,
What
okay
the
yun ah.
heck?
Binenta yun sa
Pwede.
Florida eh. Cherokee SRT 8. Yung first gen na SRT 8, yan yung talagang bastos eh.
Second question is, what's your top 3 wheels of all time naman?
In order from the lowest to highest.
Yeah.
Workmeister, lowest. Advan SA3R.
Okay.
Second gen. So search up like HKS Nob Taniguchi spec 1817 na staggered.
Yung
Tapos
red face.
yung red face. Top ko has to be yung stock wheels ng R33. Sobrang universal
It
yun
works
eh.
well with everything.
It works with everything. Be it
Very foggy.
Diba?
OEM.
capless, with cap.
Last question of the day is, what's the best sounding engine for you?
Depende kung gagawin ng tama. NA 20B. Kailangan tama yung gawa ng exhaust, kailangan tama yung gawa ng ng intake, tapos kailangan peripheral port para grabe yung brap.
The
Pero-
brapness.
The brapness. Di naman ako rotary guy, pero yan yung
Yeah.
pinaka-trip kong makina.
Here, guys.
Okay na yung 26B, pero 20B sobrang underrated.
Super bilis interview tayo and we are here with
Joes or Jose Altaveros, Damang Jose on Instagram. Follow me, sorry, shout out. And also, syempre, follow niyo siya.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so question number 1 is, you have unlimited budget and you have a house, 3-car garage. Ano lalagay mo?
Definitely one, Land Cruiser, perfect daily. Taga-Banawe ako. 300. Oh,
300.
actually, no, sorry. 200.3.
200.3.
Yeah, last gen. V8, syempre. Then, definitely, R33 GTR. So, dream car.
The 90.
The last car has to be a 911.
911.
Ang tanong na lang is, which 911?
Yeah.
Siguro, 997 GTS. NA. Driver's car.
Second question of the day is, what's your top 3 wheels of all time?
Banawe man ako, so has to be number 1, T37. Pero specifically,
But wait.
T37 RT.
Oh.
Rigid tune. Sayang wala na yun. So, race, please bring it back.
Volk baka naman.
Baka naman, Volk Racing, rigid tune. Ang ganda nun. Number 2, new naman, something newer. So, Advan GT Beyond R.
Oh, okay.
User.
Pogi yun. Pogi yun.
Nagkanda ng mga deep dish eh. And then lastly, something classic. BBS LMs.
Works with everything.
Works with everything. Alright.
Last question of the day is, what's the best sounding engine for you?
This is arguably the toughest question because there are two on my mind. One is an RB26 with an R1 Titan titanium exhaust. And it's tied between an LFA. Iba tumunog ang LFA.
Iba, ayun.
Lalo na I got to see one sa yardstick.
Yardstick.
Umupak yung LFA.
Yung puti ba yan?
Yes. LFA. No doubt.
Chef's kiss.
So, si Monay naman. Kasi lagi siya yung nag-i-interview. Ano to? Only budget. 3-car garage.
3-car garage. Number 1, Chaser. Toyota Chaser. Tapos, number 2, 6x6 na Land Cruiser. Number 1, pang daily, GR Corolla.
Oy. Biga din.
Lahat Toyota eh. Toyota boy ako eh.
Daming pera.
Only fans eh.
Oo nga pala. Sorry. Top 3
of
wheels
all
mo.
time. Para sa akin, gusto ko yung mga Kyusha wheels eh. So, SSR, MK2, Long Champs,
Long jump. Oh.
tsaka
8.6.
Watanabe.
Watanabe. Watanabe-san.
Yeah.
Then last question is best sounding engine mo.
For me, Jay-Z. Jay-Z! And then may Z rin naman sa dulo. So, to Jay-Z na turbo. Wapish.
Wow. Oh, yun. So si Monay naman ngayon. Bye.
Bye! Thank you! Hi guys, so super bilis interview tayo and we have a special guest today. We are here with
Justin Bazay.
question number 1 is you have unlimited budget and you have a house, 3-car garage. Ano lalagay mo?
Mababaw lang yung gusto ko. Unang-una, syempre, yung AE86 natin. Gusto ko nandyan yan sa garahe natin. Pangalawa, gusto ko ng RX-7 FD3S. Sobrang gusto ko talaga yung RX-7, lalo na yung pag naka 26P, 13P, yung brap sound.
Yeah.
Tapos, gusto ko ng LC76 na bago. Yung automatic na 2026 model.
No.
Yun lang, ganun lang. Hindi ko na...
Pang-daily.
Pang-daily, oo. Hindi ko na gusto yung mga supercars, mga ganyan. Gusto ko pa rin yung mga bulok, saka mukhang luma. Yan, yun tayo. Retro
Tawag is,
style.
ano yung professional mambubulok?
Professional mambubulok. Ay, yan, ang mga kaklasiko. Si Banawi Boy, si Kevin Carlos, si Calvin Marwood, si Ed Domingo. Yan ang mga kaklasiko sa
Yeah, shoutout sa inyo, mga
mambubulok.
classmates.
Yan, oo.
Second question of the day is what's your top 3 wheels of all time naman?
Unang-una, ito yung mags ng 86 natin, yung SSR MK3. Dream wheels ko talaga to, kakalagay lang natin sa 86. Next is the Rega Master. Gusto ko talaga, gusto ko yung Rega Master. Oh, Desmond. Ayoko sabihin yung TE kasi ang dami na for sure nagsabi ng TE. Pero pogi yung TE. Blitz 03,
Yes.
okay rin siya. Pero ang dami na rin kasi. Ang dami na rin eh. Oo.
special mention yun, yung mga
Ah,
wheels.
Yun, ang pinaka gusto ko yung Techno Shadow. Na Kyusha wheels.
Ito yung
Yan.
parang 4-spoke ba yun?
Yes.
Devil Shadow yun.
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 Techno Shadow,
Oh, yeah.
Devil Shadow, isa lang siya. 4-spoke, tapos may
Okay.
3 lines.
Yes.
Sobrang rare nun.
Last question of the day is, what's the best sounding engine for you?
Walang iba, kundi 4AGE.
May nakakabit dito.
Makinang 86 natin.
Bakit?
Kasi iba yung tunog niya, lalo na pag nasa 7,000 RPM, 8,000 RPM ka na, yung lutong ng tunog ng makina, rinig na rinig mo. Yung hagok, yung sobrang throaty yung sound. Walang makakatalo doon for me.
Eargasa. Best
Ear
feeling in the
Gasa,
world.
best feeling in the world.
Alright. Thank you, Justin.
Thank you,
and that's
thank
it for today.
More power.
Yun, so this has been our episode for today. The Stance Pilipinas X New Era event or meet release date ng dalawang hats. Ayan, nakabili tayo ng dalawang hats. Nasa likod. Gagawa na lang ako ng reels, ng unboxing. Tapos upload ko na lang on all our socials. May kita nyo na lang yon siguro after this posting. If umabot kayo guys sa part ng video na to, you can comment down below fitted. Like yung nabili nating hat, fitted. Yun, you can comment down below fitted para alam kong nanood kayo from start to finish. And if you guys want to buy our merch, you can always buy our merch at www.eversince-streetclub.com. Don't forget the dash, baka sa'yo mapunta. And as always, this has been Jerome Monastrial. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next vlog. Johnny! Ang daming nakapark dito. Tapos ito nakapark sa bangketa. Hello po. What's your name? Hello, my name is Cheesecake. Hello, Cheesecake. Cute-cute mo naman.